Welcome to Jessica's Weather Channel. It is January 5th, and we got a snow and ice storm, and I'm going to measure the snow for you. Take a look right here. How much do you think we got so far? You want to figure it out? Let's do it together, because I want to know too. All right, here we go. I'm going to first stick it in the ground. Oh, I can't. It's frozen. All right. Here we go. What does that say? Let's see. Right at 6 inches. Yeah, right down there. We got about 6 inches of snow so far. Let's see if I can get it down in here. Yep, buddy. That's how much we got so far. It's still coming down. Ice coming down right now. Be careful out there, y'all. Don't travel unless need be.